Claim, did RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat too praise Congress after fifth phase of LS elections? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. As elections to the Lok Sabha crossed the midpoint, several claims on who's supporting whom have been shared on social media platforms. In this context, a video of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh (RSS) Chief Mohan Bhagwat praising the role of Congress in Indian independence struggle is being shared with a claim that he made the statement after the fifth phase of voting for Lok Sabha elections on 20th May. Mohan Bhagwat can be heard saying in the video, "The people in our country have little political awareness. There should be political awareness among the people. That is why a major movement by the Congress was started across the country, with many great men who inspire our lives even today. The movement paved the way for freedom and contributed to our independence movement."
अपने देश के लोगों में राजनीतिक समझदारी कम है। सत्ता किसकी है, इसका क्या महत्व है, लोग कम जानते हैं। अपने देश के लोगों की राजनीतिक जागृति करनी चाहिए और इसलिए कांग्रेस के रूप में एक बड़ा आंदोलन सारे देश में खड़ा हुआ। उसमें भी अनेक सर्वस्व त्यागी महापुरुष जिनकी प्रेरणा आज भी हमारे जीवन के प्रेरणा में काम करती है, ऐसे पैदा हुए और देश के सर्वसामान्य व्यक्ति को स्वतंत्रता के लिए रास्ते पर लाकर खड़ा करने का काम उस धारा ने किया। एक बड़ा योगदान अपने स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति में उस धारा का है।
The video was shared by Hitendra Pithadia, the president of the Gujarat Congress SC cell, with a claim that reads in Hindi, "पांचवें चरण के बाद RSS के मोहन भागवत भी कांग्रेस की योगदान को याद करने लगे। मोदी जा रहा है, इंडिया की सरकार आ रही है." Fact check. Truth, the claim is false. A 5-year-old video of Mohan Bhagwat's speech on freedom struggle was shared as recent after the fifth phase of voting in 2024 elections. Fact check details. We checked for the original video based on the ANI logo in the video. We found the original video that was uploaded on the YouTube channel of both ANI and HT Hindustan Times on September 17th and 18th, 2018, respectively. When checked further, we found that this video was from September 2018, when RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat spoke on independence struggle at a conference in Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi, and it was aired by the news agency ANI as seen below.
एक धारा ये निकली कि नहीं, अपने देश के लोगों में राजनीतिक समझदारी कम है। सत्ता किसकी है, इसका क्या महत्व है, लोग कम जानते हैं। अपने देश के लोगों की राजनीतिक जागृति करनी चाहिए और इसलिए कांग्रेस के रूप में एक बड़ा आंदोलन सारे देश में खड़ा हुआ। उसमें भी अनेक सर्वस्व त्यागी महापुरुष जिनकी प्रेरणा आज भी हमारे जीवन के प्रेरणा में काम करती है, ऐसे।
The event on freedom struggle was inaugurated by Bhagwat on 17 September 2018, and his full speech can be seen on the YouTube channel of Sansad TV here. In his speech, Bhagwat said that the Congress played a significant role in India's freedom movement and also gave the country several great leaders. However, the same old video of Mohan Bhagwat's speech in 2018 was shared on 21st May 2014 with a misleading claim that he praised the role of Congress after the fifth phase of voting. Claim, video of RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat shows him praising Congress after the fifth phase of voting in the Lok Sabha elections 2024. Conclusion, the claim is false. A 5-year-old video of Mohan Bhagwat's speech on freedom struggle was shared as recent after the fifth phase of voting in 2024 elections. Rating, misrepresentation. The claim is false. Thank you for visiting us, Digiti.in.
Subscribe to our channel Digiti India.